Alright, so we're trying out stock exhaust because I broke the other Corsa. We're going to see how it sounds. I didn't think I was going to like it, but it actually sounds pretty good. Everyone on Facebook's going to hate it, but if it shows up on camera good enough, we got to get those exhaust tips sorted out. That looks like trash, but other than that, it really does sound pretty damn good. I like that a lot. I thought it was going to be quiet. Not that much quieter. I don't know. Yeah. I'm going to rev it real quick. I do have the camera on, by the way. Just as a heads up, this will wind up on YouTube, probably. So no nut. Yeah, I don't know. That's not. I bet you hear a bunch more blower line now. Oh yeah. Just not freaking outdone. Because it doesn't sound so freaking loud. Yeah. It's like how I feel. What's that? That's the thing how I feel. But it kind of feels like you can step on a little bit and not really wake up everybody. I guess is the point. Shit, that might be more fun than the exhaust. Yeah. That sounded good. Yeah. I may be in trouble now. Yeah. That sounded really good. Oh, that was pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you can already hear it before, honestly. No, especially with the windows down. Yeah. Oh, so with the windows up, you should be able to even hear it more. Yeah, you can usually hear it between these up just fine. Yeah. Rather drag strip and stuff is pretty loud. Damn, that sounded good though. I'm good. I'll turn around right here. Yeah. I know it's like not actually any smoother, but it feels smoother because it's quieter, which is pretty weird. I was kind of thinking that when you did your pool. It just feels less, or more refined maybe. Interesting. I'll be honest, that makes you want to put a supercharger on my car more than the line. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Dude, the driver's seat or passenger seat feels so much faster. Oh yeah. No steering wheel the whole laundry. I know, yeah. I heard a very muffled flame pop.
Yeah, I did.
Because like I was curious if that was gonna still be aggressive or not. No flames in stock exhaust, that is for sure.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I heard a little bit of that pop too.
Yeah. I don't know. To the camera, what do you guys think? It's different. I think unless we wind up going like active exhaust or something in the future with some kind of cutout, I think we're gonna wind up holding on to the Corsas. They have their place, but there's the cops. They have my place, and but I think we're gonna hold stock exhaust for areas like this. So we're in, for those of you who don't know, I'm in Virginia right now, and we've got a bunch of mountain roads and everything like that. So everything echoes so much worse than where I'm at in the Midwest. And to be honest, like, it's not really fun getting on the car when you're lighting up a landscape just quarter throttle because it happens to hit that RPM range. So current exhaust right now, long tubes, free flowing X-pipe, Kooks, and factory axle backs off a GT, which according to the internet is the same part number as the GT500. So I don't know. The Supercharger one's kind of its cool little thing that I hadn't heard in a long time. Not like that. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But maybe we don't need to get a mic now. You'll probably hear me, hopefully. Yeah, definitely let me know down below, and we'll get some more content out in the near future. Plan to do a couple track days and stuff, but this is kind of a quick video of something I've been messing around with. So see you guys in the next one.